School Board Association is not a constitutionally created entity and does not have judicial authority to oversee any due process procedures. They must be judicial, as a recent ruling in Sec versus Jakarski, Justice Gorsuch, quote, "The Fifth Amendment's due process clause addresses remaining concerns about the processes that would attend trials before independent judges and juries. As originally understood, this provision prohibited the government from depriving a person of those rights without affording him the the benefit of, or at least those customary procedures to which free men were entitled to by the old law of England, which was adopted into our American common law. More than that," he goes on, Justice Gorsuch, "because it was the peculiar province of the judiciary to safeguard life, liberty, and property, due process often meant judicial process." So the PSBA is not a judicial entity, so they cannot oversee due process. And removal of officers, I mean, that could really come against all of you, to be honest, because it's not a true judicial process. So this is for your protection. Okay, I'm going to continue on with Justice Gorsuch here. One George Tucker Blackstone's commentaries that is, if the government sought to interfere with those rights, nothing less than the process and proceedings of the common law had to be observed before any such deprivation could take place. Joseph Story, Commentaries of the Constitution. In other words, due process of law generally implied and included a judge, regular allegations, opportunity to answer in a trial according to some settled course of judicial proceedings. So administrative tribunals are not judicial, and I would really urge the board members to do their due diligence before voting on this tonight. It can work both ways against, it doesn't matter which side, really. The law is about true equity, and that's what this is about. This is not about really sides. So I want you to take heed. Thank you.